Here we are given a triangle ABC. AC is 8 centimeters, AD is 3 centimeters, and the measure of this whole angle C is the same as this angle that you see here, CDA, and this angle C are equal to one another. What we need to find is the measure of this line segment BD here. That is what we need to find. Now consider the triangle ABC and this small triangle CAD. Why are we doing that? If you see, there is so much information given about this particular triangle. What all do you know? You know the measure of two sides, and also you have information about this angle here. We know that this angle is the same as C. Now, can we prove that these two triangles are similar? Is there any way to prove? Look at the angle A. Both of these triangles have A as the common angle. What else? This C here in the triangle ABC, this angle C and this angle D are equal to one another. So the place where you see C, you put D. What is the third and the remaining one vertex that you see here? There. So you have triangle ABC is similar to triangle ACD using what criterion? Using AA criterion. We have proved that two corresponding angles are equal. So these two triangles are similar. And what does that mean? When two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. So let us write down the corresponding sides. What do you have? AB by AC is equal to BC by CD, and that is equal to AC by AD. We have this information, but that does not mean that we have to use it. We will use only what we need. What all do we have information about? We have information about AC. It is 8 centimeters. So here an 8 centimeters. Here an 8 centimeters. What else do we know? AD is 3 centimeters. So what does that mean? All the three ratios are equal, but we don't need the one in the middle. We just need these two ratios. So what does that mean? AB is what? AB is equal to AC square, which is cross multiplying. You get what? 64 by 3 centimeters. But then that is not what you want. What you want is BD. What you have got is AB. And what is BD is equal to? It is AB minus AD, which is what? 64 by 3 minus 3. So this is the answer that we need. BD is what? It is 55 by 3 centimeters. That is all for today. Assalamu alaikum.